From republic to empire, did the benefits of Roman expansion outweigh the costs? Introduction. As the ancient Republic of Rome grew, its power expanded. By the early 1st century CE, it had become a mighty empire that ruled the entire Mediterranean world. The expansion of Roman power occurred over approximately 500 years, from 509 BCE to 14 CE. At the beginning of this period, Rome was a tiny republic in central Italy. However, 500 years later, it was the thriving center of a vast empire. At its height, the Roman Empire included most of Europe, together with North Africa, Egypt, much of the present-day Middle East, and Asia Minor. The increase of Rome's power happened gradually and came at a price. Romans had to fight countless wars to defend their developing territory and to conquer new lands. Along the way, Rome itself transformed. The Romans had once been proud to be governed under a republic of elected leaders. Their heroes were men who had helped to preserve the republic. Leaders in different parts of the world would later be inspired by the structure of government. However, by 14 CE, the republic was just a memory. Power was in the hands of a single supreme ruler, the emperor. Some Romans even worshipped old emperors as gods, an act that shows how powerful these rulers could be. In this lesson, you'll see how this dramatic change occurred. You'll trace the gradual expansion of Roman power. You will also explore the costs of this expansion, both for Romans and for the people they conquered.